In this video, I will share with you how to connect my domain to Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites. This is the Hostinger website builder website that I want to connect my domain to. To connect my domain name to this website, it's simple. Just click on these three dots and select connect domain. You will jump to this new page here, fill in your domain. In my case, it's benstutorial.com. This is my domain name, benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes, use it. Click on it. This domain is registered at another provider. Yes, it is registered, but also on Hostinger, but in a separate web hosting account or a different Hostinger account. You'll have to verify you own it when you connect to your site. Yes. Click on next. My domain was added to my website. It's time to build your online success. Click on continue. Here, Hostinger didn't ask for it, but I will show you how to do it because I already know it and it is a necessary step. Now I will jump to my other Hostinger account where my domain name is registered. Let's go to the home page of this account. Now go to domains. Then this is my domain name. I will click on manage. Those steps are similar on different domain name providers. For example, if your domain is registered at GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any domain name provider, just look for DNS or name servers. Go to your domain name settings and look for DNS or name servers. Here you need to change your name servers. As you see, this my domain was connected with a website hosted on Bluehost. Now I will change them to Hostinger in order to be connected with this website built using Hostinger website builder. To explain this in a different way, now my website here knows that it needs to be connected to this domain name, but I still need to let this domain name know that it should be connected with this website. So the first half of the process was done from the website end. Now I need to complete the second half from the domain end. So the second half from the domain end is this: changing the name servers to the ones from or the ones known for the Hostinger website builder, which are the first name server is ns1 dot what, or simply you click on or go with use Hostinger name servers. Check this option and hit save. Those are the name servers of Hostinger website builder. In your case, just look at them clearly. If your domain name is registered at godaddy.com, for example, just use this text or address as the first name server. Manually type it like ns1.dns-parking.com, and the second name server is ns2.dns-parking.com, and make sure you write anything correctly and without any added space or similar. So in your case, you will write those name servers manually. If your domain name is registered on Hostinger, it's simple. Just click on change name servers and select this first option of use Hostinger name servers, and they will write them for you. If you're on a different name servers, select change name servers and write those two name servers. It is already saved, so this save button is grayed. This process, or after changing name servers, it is known that name servers or DNS system requires a propagation period which can requires as low as 1 minute or directly up to 48 hours. So sometimes when you set new name servers, you need to wait up to 48 hours in order to know to which website to connect to. So here, be patient. Start with the first. Start by letting your website on Hostinger Website Builder to know which domain name to use. Then go to your domain name and let it know what web hosting provider to use. In this case, it's Hostinger Website Builder. And be patient. And then start checking your website from this little link icon. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below. Then start checking your website from this little link icon. Let's open it. As you see, now my website is connected to my Hostinger Website Builder, but it still needs to publish my website to see its content. Now I need to click here on Go Live because this website was not published before connecting my domain name. Click on Go Live. And now let's refresh this page. And now my domain name is connected to Hostinger Website Builder successfully. And this is how to connect my domain to Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.